Hi guys, I am work from home. This is my home आणि this is my work. म्हणजेच this is a worker. याला म्हणतात this is a worker. हिंदी में बखर and very मशागत hard working for this my job. This is my maca. This is my maca. This is my cotton. Very struggling for शेती and kisan. Very hard working. Amazing. Big मेहनत. मगच उत्पादन very big money. This is hard working, not for सहज betting money. Thank you. Regular, this is my work job. Nice to meet you. See you again next video. This is my channel. Subscribe. Instagram, this follow. Thank you.